Using Canva to earn money on Fiverr is a fantastic way to tap into your creativity and make some extra cash. Let's dive right into how you can turn your design skills into a profitable side hustle. First, you need to familiarize yourself with Canva. It's a user-friendly graphic design tool that offers a plethora of templates for everything from social media posts to business cards. Spend some time exploring its features. Get comfortable with the drag-and-drop interface and experiment with different design elements. The more you know, the better you can create. Once you feel confident, it's time to carve out your niche. Think about what types of designs you enjoy making. Are you great at creating eye-catching Instagram posts? Or maybe you have a knack for designing professional-looking presentations. Identifying your strengths will help you stand out on Fiverr. Next, create a compelling Fiverr profile. Your profile is your storefront, so make it appealing. Use a professional photo and write a clear, engaging description of your services. Highlight your skills and what makes you unique. Don't forget to include keywords related to your niche, as this will help potential clients find you more easily. Now let's talk about gig creation. When setting up your gigs, be specific about what you're offering. For example, if you're designing social media graphics, specify the platforms you cater to, the number of revisions included, and the delivery time. Use Canva to create stunning gig thumbnails that grab attention. A visually appealing thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Pricing is another crucial aspect. Research what others in your niche are charging and set your prices competitively. If you're just starting, consider offering lower rates to attract your first few clients and build your portfolio. As you gain more reviews and experience, you can gradually increase your prices. Once your gigs are live, promote them. Share your Fiverr link on social media, in relevant online communities, or even through word of mouth. Networking can be incredibly powerful. Engage with potential clients and showcase your work. You can also create sample designs to demonstrate your skills and share them on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. As you start receiving orders, communication is key. Respond promptly to inquiries and keep clients updated on the progress of their projects. A positive experience can lead to repeat business and referrals, which are invaluable in this line of work. Don't forget to ask for reviews after completing a project. Positive feedback will enhance your credibility and attract more clients. And remember, always strive to exceed your clients' expectations. Delivering high-quality work on time will set you apart from the competition. Lastly, keep learning and evolving. Canva regularly updates its features, so stay informed about new tools and trends in graphic design. Consider taking online courses or watching tutorials to refine your skills. The more you grow, the more valuable you become to your clients. By following these steps, you can successfully earn money on Fiverr using Canva. It's all about leveraging your creativity, providing excellent service, and continuously improving your skills. So, roll up your sleeves, start designing, and watch your side hustle flourish.